Hello and welcome. I'm Caroline with Tithely, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new Canva course tailored specifically for churches. In these 7 videos, we'll deep dive into the world of design and show you how to elevate your church's visual presence. In this course, we'll start with the basics. Our Canva expert, Ramon, will guide you through an introduction to Canva, showing you how to navigate the platform like a pro, so you can unleash your creativity with ease. Next, we'll focus on setting your church up for success. We'll share ideas for event flyers, graphics, and text messages to keep your congregation informed and excited. Plus, we'll give you a Canva template to get you started. From there, we'll tackle the art of creating church announcements, event planners, social media posts, and even help to spruce up your church bulletin. We will show you exactly how to create graphics that not only inform but captivate your audience, ensuring they don't miss a single update. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, our Canva course for churches has something for everyone. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your church's visual presence and connect with your congregation like never before. Now let's dive in and explore all Canva has to offer.